Welcome back to Reviews Heaven. Today, we're diving into the world of convenience and power with our top 5 best immersion blenders. Whether you're blending smoothies, whipping cream, pureeing baby food, or tackling chunky soups, these handheld blenders are game changers in the kitchen. From turbo-powered beasts to compact multitaskers, we've picked the best of the best to suit every need and budget. Stick around to see which blender whisks, chops, and blends its way to the top. And hey, if one catches your eye, all the buying links are down in the description, just one click away from blending bliss. Let's get mixing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. Turelar Handheld Corded Immersion Blender. Say goodbye to lumpy soup and hello to silky smooth goodness with the Turelar Immersion Blender. With its beastly 1100W motor, it can crush veggies like a pro wrestler, only quieter and without breaking a sweat. Smoothies, soups, baby food, done in seconds. It's like having a mini tornado in your kitchen, just way more helpful. The variable speed trigger is a game changer. Squeeze gently, and it purrs. Squeeze hard, and it roars. No buttons, no guessing. Just you and your blender dancing in perfect sync. And don't worry about splatter, unless you like decorating your walls with soup art. Cleanup? A breeze. The blade guard keeps your pot scratch-free and your sink drama-free. Plus, the grip is so comfy, it feels like this blender actually wants to be held. Romance in the kitchen? Maybe. With 5 attachments, including a whisk, chopper, and frother, it's basically a kitchen Swiss Army knife. Just don't try to blend frozen bricks, or you might end up with a hot, confused blender. You've been warned. Number 2. OVENTE Electric Handheld Portable Immersion Blender. Meet the OVENTE Immersion Blender, a little stick with big dreams. With 300W of blending power, it turns fruits, veggies, and even your blender fears into delicious smoothies, soups, or baby food in no time. It's like a magic wand for your kitchen, minus the sparkles. Need control? You've got it. With 2 simple speeds and a pulse sensor, you can go from gentle blend to turbo mode faster than you can say smoothie explosion. Frozen fruits? Handled. Soft bananas? Crushed dreams. All in a day's work. Its slim, stainless steel shaft slides into almost any pot or bowl. No awkward angles or blender yoga required. And the non-slip grip? Feels like it was made for your hand. Like a handshake from a very determined chef. And cleaning? Total breeze. Just detach, rinse, and you're done. Even your sink will be impressed. Plus, with a 1-year warranty and friendly US customer service, this blender's got your back. Unless you try to blend marbles. Please don't. Number 3. Mueller Stainless Steel Electric Handheld Immersion Blender. The Mueller Immersion Blender isn't just a gadget. It's your new kitchen sidekick with serious muscle. With a 500W motor and 9 speeds, it blends like a champ and froths like it trained in a coffee shop. Need smoothies, soups, or a quick upper body workout? Done. Okay, maybe not the last one. It comes with 3 swappable heads, a blender for the tough stuff, a whisk for the fluffy stuff, and a frother for your fancy coffee moments. Turbo mode even kicks things up when your ingredients are feeling a little too stubborn, kind of like your cat on vet day. The design is sleek and comfy. The handle's non-slip grip keeps things steady, even if you're blending with one hand and dodging flying spinach with the other. And yes, it helps avoid those lovely soup-on-ceiling surprises. Cleanup? You'll love it more than your morning coffee. Just detach, rinse, or toss it in the dishwasher. Simple, efficient, and way less messy than that one blender you swore at last week. Number 4. Ganiza 5-in-1 Heavy-Duty Handheld Immersion Blender. The Ganiza Immersion Blender is basically the kitchen's version of a superhero, minus the cape, but definitely not the power. With a beastly 1000W motor and 4 sharp blades, it blends like a dream. Soup, smoothies, nut butter, you name it, this thing eats it for breakfast. With 16 speeds, you get precision like a pro chef. Plus, turbo mode for those "oh no, I added raw carrots again" moments. It powers through like a blender on a mission, because it kinda is. You get a full kit too. Mixing beaker, chopper, whisk, and frother. From whipping cream to chopping onions without crying, yes, please, it's got your back. It might just replace half your kitchen drawer. And cleanup? So easy, it almost feels suspicious. Just pop the parts off, toss them in the dishwasher, and wipe the rest. Boom, done. Way easier than convincing your partner to do the dishes. Stylish, strong, and super practical. It's the perfect gift for any foodie or for yourself. Because hey, you deserve nice things. Number 5. Bonsenkitchen Electric Handheld Portable Immersion Blender. The Bonsenkitchen hand blender may look small, but it blends like it's got something to prove. With a 300W motor and 4 sharp blades, it turns your lumpy sauces into smooth goodness faster than you can say, "Where's my spoon?" It's got 2 speeds, low for gentle blending and high for, well, I forgot to chop the veggies emergencies. With one press, it'll power through your ingredients like a blender on a coffee rush. The handle is comfy enough to make you feel like a professional chef, even if you're still figuring out how to not burn toast. Plus, it won't break your wrist after 5 minutes of whipping cream. Swapping attachments is easy, and cleanup is a breeze. Just toss the blades in the dishwasher and give the motor a wipe. Pro tip, don't give it a bath. It's not that kind of appliance. Whether you're whipping up a smoothie or saving dinner last minute, this blender's got your back, and maybe your sanity too. Thanks for watching our roundup of the top 5 best immersion blenders. We hope it helped you find the perfect match for your kitchen needs. Don't forget, all the product buying links are in the description box below, so go check them out. Happy blending!